Here's the new Genius Pro 2024 edition by Millennium. I've had a chance to play a few games with it and I love it. It's got a bright LCD display, save game features, and many more things. Why don't we unbox this together so you can see this new modernized computer for you to play chess at any level. Hi, it's Raphael with Chess House, helping you bring home the ideal chess set. I like the clean presentation of the ChessGenius Pro in this cardboard slipcase. Removing it displays the ChessGenius Pro emblem again. There is a box with a bag and pieces. This reveals the modernized unit, ChessGenius Pro 2024. There are extra queens, and this is a new design of chess pieces. I've already inserted some batteries in this case here. It does not come with batteries, but it's easy to open this and insert the 4 AA batteries. It can also be powered with an adapter if you choose to purchase one separately. This is the primary on-off switch. And when pressed, the unit starts up. The board is set up. There are extra queens, and to begin a game, you would press on the square to and from. These chess pieces are a new design by Millennium, also used on their E1 and King competition. This is a miniaturized version of the pieces. You can get hints, the brightness, power off at any time to save the game if you want to walk away from the machine for a bit. Then we can look through analysis here, the information button, times, move list, and analysis. If I make a move, E2, E4, it immediately shows the opening that the computer has chosen to play. You can also see very clearly on the screen every move input. This is a great advantage over similar models in the past. So light press on the squares for each move input, my own moves as well as the computer's. If we go to the menu screen, then these controls come into play. We have play level, asking the computer to move immediately if it is pondering its move, getting hints, save and loading games. For example, if I select this, I could save a finished game, or in fact any game up to that point, to memory, one of 12 games you can save and replay. Within the menu, there are a variety of other options. Most importantly is the play levels. You have left and right arrows to cycle through normal, blitz, fun levels that enables the computer to make mistakes you can take advantage of. Easy levels, tournament levels, user levels, multiple time controls, finding the shortest mate from any position, so on. Under Blitz, you would down arrow and go through different time selections. Or under Fun levels, you could go down arrow and go through a number of different levels. The best thing about this computer, besides its wide variety of levels, is just the clarity and simplicity with which it's designed. Especially the bright LCD screen. I have had this outside in sunlight. I've played a few games. It worked flawlessly, and I really had a fun time playing. The board can be inverted, and there's just the right amount of strength in those magnets to make this very portable. You can walk room to room or wherever you like, and those pieces will stay in place. Here's a quick demo of some of the menu functions. To start a new game quickly, press the green button. You can quickly select left and right the type of level you would like. Under menu, we can also change, we can set up a position, we can go to more advanced options, invert the board, set the tutor to give suggestions, allow the computer to resign or draw, set the style of the computer, the opening book style, the sound level, the brightness level, the type of pieces shown on the main screen, as in here, this is how you would load a game. Use the left and right arrows to load the game. Shows the end of the game, and we can go all the way back to the beginning, either that way or through the menu here. Now we can start the game from the beginning. So you can see there's a lot more possible with the latest version of Genius Pro. This will give you different information such as the times for each, the move list, the analysis, and opening, or start a new game. Under new game, you can play as white, as black, 2 players, or even setting up a position. Everyone has their own preferences when it comes to style of chess pieces. I have come to like these, especially their profile and the ability to grasp them fairly easily when the pieces are relatively close together in this size chess computer. The pieces feel nice and stable. The Genius Pro 2024 really steps it up, and it'll be the ideal chess computer for beginners as well as advanced or experienced chess players. It's possible for you to just set aside a computer, get in your quiet space, and enjoy chess at any time. There's no need to schedule it with a friend. Just go ahead and play. And the bright LCD, as well as the many features built in, the ability to save games, all these things we talked about make this a really rich experience when it comes to enjoying the game of chess. I hope you enjoy yours, and I look forward to seeing you next time.